Apple released iOS 26.3 a couple days ago, and it quietly added a feature iPhone users have been asking for, especially if you're switching to Android, or maybe you just want to we can say transfer your data from an iPhone to an Android phone you got. New transfer options, wallpaper upgrades, bug fixes, and important security patches. Here's everything new in iOS 26.3 in under 5 minutes. So if you haven't updated yet, this video will help you decide. And if you already updated, let's see what actually changed. So one of the biggest changes in iOS 26.3 is improvements to cross-platform transfer. When setting up a new Android phone, transferring data from your iPhone is now smoother and more complete. Things like contact, we can say messages, photos, videos, even some app data. Apple improved compatibility with Android migration tools, making switching less painful. For this, you need to go to the settings and then general and scroll down to the bottom. Here we have transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can see transfer to Android. Not something most people do often, but if you're moving from iPhone to Android, this update matters. Or maybe you just want to transfer data from this iPhone or your iPhone maybe to an Android phone. Next, we have Apple also refined the wallpaper experience. Tap and hold on the lock screen or just the wallpaper, and then tap on the plus icon to see what is new. Now here, if you scroll down, we can see that lock screen wallpapers now load faster, have smoother depth effect, and better animation transition. So here we can see that the weather wallpapers are separated. So they are separated, not mixed with the other wallpapers available, like we can say the astronomy and other wallpapers. So this is one of the new features available after the release of iOS 26.3. This update also fixes several annoying bugs: random app freezes, keyboard lag in some, we could say, apps, occasional control center, and battery drain issues for some users. So if your iPhone felt slightly off recently, this update might fix it. And of course, security patches as well. As always, iOS 26.3 includes important security improvements. Even if you don't care about new features, security updates all alone are a good reason to update. Apple rarely tells us every detail publicly, but these patches protect against vulnerabilities. If you're on iOS 26.2 or older, yes, this is a safe and stable update. No major performance complaints so far, no widespread battery issues reported. It's more of a refinement update than a flashy one. And you guys, though, you can update your device in general and then tap on software update and you can update it right from here. If this video helped you decide whether to update, hit like. And if you want simple iPhone tips without the nonsense, subscribe. I post daily tech tips that actually matter. See you in the next one.